Howdy, and welcome back to Attacks and Shaves for another product spotlight. This time it's for Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Planet Phoenix. Now, that's releasing this weekend, and I am super excited about this because all I've ever had was this. This is the sample size of Planet Phoenix that you get with the Travel Scuttle. I was going to use my Travel Scuttle today, but I don't know where I put it, so I'm using a regular bowl. Man, I'm looking forward to this. I've loved this scent. I've been rationing this forever, just a little bit at a time. So knowing that it's coming out this weekend, I scooped heavy, and I'm looking forward to this shave. And we're gonna get in and talk about it. Now, the scent notes of Planet Phoenix. Let's go over the hardware first. I'm using my stainless steel Ascension Twist. I really love this razor. It's such a great shave. I have a I'm on the 7th use Persona Comfort Coat in there. This is the second blade that I'm comparing to see if the first one wasn't a fluke that I did 12 shaves on. So far, it's not. I'm also using my favorite brush from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, and that is the Star Wisp. This is absolutely my favorite brush from PAA. So the scent notes are sweet honey neroli, bold burst of bergamot and mandarin, sensual frangipani, dark labdanum, and deep mysterious oud. And oud, that hits me home. You know, I love oud. So I'm really looking forward to this. I've already got my lather whipped up. It's going to need some more water, which is fine because I want to do a bit of a face lather anyway. So let's get going with the shave. I have a little bit on Planet Phoenix, not a whole lot of information. But what I'm excited about is that it's a full release, and I'm assuming, don't quote me on it, I have no information, but because the way this has been the year of the cube so far, I am hoping there is a cube for it as well. I will use this cube every day. I love this fragrance so much. I have been, oh gosh. Oh, that is so good. And here's the thing. This scent has not, and Brian Foley will correct me if I'm wrong, I got this off the PAA database. If you don't know the PAA database, the link is in the Phoenix Shaving Fan Club on Facebook. There's a link to it in the featured tab for the PAA database, and it's basically a database of all the PAA releases with pictures of the label art, any flanking items that were with it and stuff like that. There's also a list of all the hardware that's been released, so check it out. Brian Foley is the PAA archivist, as Douglas Smythe calls him, who's gathered all this information. Anytime there's a new release or a second or third release of a scent, he's updating that PAA database weekly. So it was originally released in 2020 as a sample with the Travel Scuttle, which is what I have here. This is the label that you see for the Travel Scuttle sample, and this is a good size sample. It's the same as the Advent calendar sizes, but like I said, I've been rationing it because this smells so good. I had no idea when this might come back out. There was a full line release in 2022, and I think that was the only time the full line was released. So this is a big deal to me because like I said, I don't have a splash or any other items for this. And like I always say, the splash, that's where the magic happens, right? That's where you get the full effect of the fragrance. And I have yet to experience that, and that's why I'm excited about this. Put a little water on top of this. There we go. Everyone knows I do love CK6. I am a huge fan of Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. I have a ton of PAA products. God, this smells amazing. Man, you get, I can go ahead and talk about it because I don't have the splash to break it down, but you definitely get that honey neroli. It's a very sweet neroli. I'm not getting quite the bergamot and mandarin, not really getting a citrus note. I'm hoping to get that in the splash, and that's why I'm so excited and looking forward to this. I want to see what that's like. But definitely get the oud in this, and it's a good strength oud too, which I am loving. All right, let's get this shave going. So it releases this weekend. We don't know when, don't know if it's going to be Friday or Saturday. So You never know. You just have to pay attention. If you haven't already, be sure and sign up for the PAA newsletter. That will give you all the information, because any additional releases, or possibly even any secret releases, you will only find out about those in that newsletter that releases on release day. Another pro tip for some of you that don't know and are shopping Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements website: one thing that I always do whenever I'm shopping a new release, before I hit buy, even though I'm trying to buy pretty quick so I get the holo or whatever, and speaking of that, we're going to talk about that in a second too. I'm always looking for secret mashups. These are not announced typically. I know that Tombstone Immaculate was, but there was a reason behind that, because of being an homage, or a tribute to Val Kilmer. But I'm always looking for mashups of whatever releases released that week, because they are basically secret menu items. They're not announced. You got to hunt for them like an Easter egg. And sometimes there might even be just a soft launch of another scent at the same time, a double release that's only announced in the newsletter. So you sign up for that newsletter on the PAA website. Loaded with lots of good information, as well as you usually get the full sales blurb and everything too, which is always fun to read from Phoenix. All right, let's go for the second pass. Man, I am so excited! I cannot wait. They cannot ship this to me fast enough. I know oud isn't for everybody. Some of these fragrance notes may not be for everybody, and that's fine. For me, this fragrance I would wear everywhere, but I'm going to withhold that statement. I know I just said it, until I actually get my nose on the splash, but I am going to go ahead and blind buy full boat on this. The soap, splash, EDP, deodorant, bar soap. God, I hope there's a cube. I really do. Got to increase my cube army, right? I love the cube. Use it for face wash. I don't use it so much as a pre-shave anymore. I mainly use it as a face wash. But if I'm feeling a little, feeling an issue with the shave I'm having, maybe with the new soap that I don't feel is protecting me as well, I'll in between passes, I'll use the cube to take care of that situation also. I haven't done a video on it. I know there's plenty of YouTubers that have, but you can shave just with the cube. It's that good. I've done it twice. I just load my brush directly on the cube and lather up. Perfect shave. So, probably wondering if there's going to be any holos or anything this release. Well, it has been announced, the first 50 bundles, and you have to buy the bundle, which is the soap and the splash. The first 50 bundles will have not only a label on the tub, but the label on the splash. Both will be glow in the dark. It's not a holo, but they are glow in the dark labels on both the soap and the splash in this bundle. It's very rare to have a special label on the splash. Sometimes there are holo labels on the splash, but it does not happen very often at all, so it's typically a very special occasion when it does. So if you're a collector of those things, you're going to want to jump on it this weekend. You're going to want to pay attention. Don't oversleep like I do sometimes. But I got that lather everywhere. Oh, it's such a good shape. We're going to go ahead and go a third pass. I am enjoying this fragrance so much. Plus, it's been a little bit since I've done 3 passes. I could use it. So it could be tomorrow, could be Saturday. Don't know if it's going to be as early as 8 a.m. Central or as late as 11 a.m. You just never know. You just got to be on your toes. I generally will, if I'm getting any other items with my order, I'll generally already have those loaded in my cart, off my wish list or whatever, and then be waiting. Usually refreshing. Whenever it's an anticipated release that I'm really looking forward to, I'll be up and I'll be refreshing the page until I see the drop. Man, won't go away. There we go. Good. So not always. If it's a new release, like brand new, it just depends. If I'm waiting up for it, but any of these that I've been dying to finally get my hands on, that haven't been out in a long time, such as this one, I will be up and ready to place my order. All right, I'm gonna rinse, come back up for no splash because I don't have one. I will use a little unscented star jelly and my final thoughts. Be right back. It's a fantastic shave. Very good shave. Love that razor. That fragrance is incredible. This is going to be a huge release, in my opinion. I know there are a lot of PAA fans that have been asking for this for a long time. Actually, the... will you pay attention here to what I want you to do? Actually, the fan base for this fragrance, this scent, is what made me buy the Travel Scuttle just so I could get my nose on this scent. And I've seen a few tubs and splashes up for sale on BST groups, but I never reached out for it because I kept thinking, well, it's going to come out, and it just never did. So I'm excited for this release. I'm very happy for it. I know a lot of other people are too. It's been a lot of talk about it once it was announced, and I'm one that's can't wait. So this fragrance is incredible. I can see myself wearing this a lot, constantly, almost anywhere. It's the right amount of oud that I like to smell. It's a good oud, not overpowering, but it's definitely strong enough. The laudanum is there. I'm hoping to get that bergamot and mandarin in the splash and the EDP, and the neroli is really, really nice. I like this sweeter neroli, this honeyed neroli. It's really, really good. Scent strength, I would say off the soap, it's about a 6. It's about the low end of 6. As far as, yeah, high end 5, low end 6. It's somewhere in between there. I'm not sure how the splash and everything's going to be, but I'm looking forward to it. I hope it's one that sticks around. I hope it's a little bit more, not projecting, but I hope it's a louder scent. This is one I want to smell all day long for me. May not be that way for everyone else, but I'm going to enjoy this nonetheless. So, all right. So it releases this weekend, possibly today, Friday, possibly tomorrow, Saturday. Just have to pay attention. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.